The Redmi K100 Pro Max features a 200-megapixel primary camera capable of producing images with a native resolution of 16,384 x 12,288 pixels. A 5x periscope telephoto camera that supports up to 100x digital zoom and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 17mm equivalent focal length. That the K100 Pro series will debut on August 11th. Redmi will introduce the K100 Pro and K100 Pro Max first, while the standard K100 will arrive at a later date. The overall design looks similar to the Redmi K90 Pro Max with a triple camera setup inside an island configuration. The phone will be available in Cabernet Red, Flowing Gold White, and Black finishes. Redmi has also confirmed a Bose Tune 2.1 channel speaker system. The Redmi K100 Pro series is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset alongside up to 16GB RAM. The series will be available in 6.59-inch and 6.9-inch display options, both featuring 185Hz flat panels with a super pixel solution that promises 1K level power consumption while delivering 2K light clarity, and a rumored 185Hz refresh rate. The phone packs a 9,070 mAh battery with support for 100W wired charging, 50W wireless charging, 27W wired reverse charging, and 22.5W wireless reverse charging. The Redmi K100 Pro and Pro Max are expected to get rebranded as Poco F9 Pro and F9 Ultra. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.